YAMAHA TRACER 700 2020 on review. Handling improved over previous model. For the money, the previous YAMAHA TRACER 700 was always an impressive piece of kit, but now it's even better, not by a huge amount, but it's crisper on the throttle, more composed in the corners, comfier and still great value for money. As well as a number of styling tweaks, the bike features the firm's first Euro 5 version of the CP2 parallel twin engine, also used in the MT-07 and Tenere 700. As with the recently updated MT-125 and MT-03 models, the front end of the bike has been restyled with aggressive twin headlights that are so sporty, they give an R1-esque feel. Ride quality and brakes. Yamaha have made new Tracer 700's riding position more comfortable with a new 10mm thicker seat with more padding, making it kinder on your knees and bum. Arms are more relaxed, too, thanks to 34mm wider bars. Handling is improved thanks to new cartridge-type forks with rebound damping and preload adjustment for the first time. The rear shock also has rebound adjusters to play with, as well as preload. Engine. Despite its cleaner, quieter new Euro 5 exhaust, the power remains at 72 brake horsepower, but it's now delivered 250 RPM lower in the revs. Torque is pegged at 50 lb-ft. This means the motor itself doesn't feel too different from the old Tracers, but with its shorter new gearing, 2 teeth up on the rear sprocket, acceleration is given a small boost, but happily not at the expense of a buzzy top end. At 70 miles per hour, the Yamaha cruises at a relatively relaxed 5500 RPM. The rumbling parallel twin has character and decent punch for its size, but lacks the kind of playfulness oozing from the Tracer's lighter, stubbier MT-07 brother. Reliability and build quality. It might be budget, but the Yamaha is nicely put together and features extra new detail touches like a thermoformed and machine screen and anodized fork adjusters. Our Yamaha Tracer 700 owners' reviews show very positive scores, with the only negatives high servicing costs and some cheaper parts. Value versus rivals. Quality sports tourers don't get much cheaper to buy, run and insure than the Tracer 700. Yamaha's PCP deals are particularly attractive, making it even more attainable. Equipment. The Tracer 700 is free from rider aids, quickshifters and modes, which may be music to the ears of some, but still has ABS. You also get adjustable suspension, new white on black clocks, an extra, left, switchgear button to control dash functions, revised shaped handguards, new LED projector headlights, indicators and taillight. Accessories are available by the bucket load, including mix and match sports, travel, weekend and urban packs. And the techie among us with enjoy the My Ride app and Yamaha's accessories configurator. Specs. Engine size 689 cubic centimeters. Engine type 8V parallel twin. Frame type tubular steel diamond. Fuel capacity 17 liters. Seat height 835 millimeters. Bike weight 196 kilograms. Front suspension 41 millimeters forks, adjustable for preload and rebound damping. Rear suspension single shock, adjustable for preload and rebound damping. Front brake 2x282 mm discs with four-piston calipers. ABS. Rear brake 245 mm rear disc with single-piston caliper. ABS. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 180/55x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 54 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £190. New price £7,799. Used price £5,500 to £7,000. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term 2 years. Top speed and performance. Max power 72 brake horsepower. Max torque 50 ft-lb. Top speed 125 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range 201 miles.